So how are you doing today? My name is Mario and welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, I create content on filmmaking, editing tutorials, and gear review. If that's something you think you'll be into, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for being here again. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you a resource for free music that doesn't suck. So if you've ever been in a search for free music, whether it's for your YouTube channel, for Instagram, for Facebook, or any social media platform that you have, you run into the problem that free music tends to not sound too well. Take, for example, YouTube's music audio library. Some of the tracks that you get in there are good, but overall there is a lot to be desired. Enter a new music licensing service called Uppbeat. So Uppbeat is a brand new free music licensing platform for any creator out there. Before I continue, I wanted to thank Uppbeat for sponsoring this video. Uppbeat is a brand new music licensing platform for content creators, especially if you're starting out or if you don't have the budget yet to pay the monthly subscription, say from other music service providers. What happens with a music licensing service provider such as Uppbeat is that your content will not get demonetized or taken down by YouTube or other social media platforms, because all the music that you'll be using will be fully licensed. Later on in this video, I'll be showing you how you can go on Uppbeat's website to find a perfect track for your videos. You're able to use Uppbeat for free without any copyright claims, whether you're someone who creates content for YouTube, for Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, or even TikTok. As long as your content is free for your audience and it isn't a paid ad, you're able to use this music for free. So how does this all work? You can just create an account on Uppbeat and you get a free account that lets you download up to 10 tracks a month. And this is more than enough, I think, even if you post videos every week. With the free account, you get access to 50% of their music library. And from my experience, the tracks you'll find here are very high quality. With the free account though, you're going to have to copy that credit for this particular track that you're using into your YouTube video description. But this is a minor thing to do considering that you're getting completely free, copyright-free music. If you think you need more than 10 tracks a month, Uppbeat has a premium account available where you can download unlimited amount of music. With a premium account, you'll be able to access the entire library and you won't even have to copy and paste that music credit into your YouTube videos. Your YouTube channel will just be automatically whitelisted. Premium account though, it's also very cheap, $6.99 compared to other music licensing platforms out there. And for the music that you get, honestly, it's quite worth it. They also have plans to include sound effects, so that it's very exciting as well. So with even the premium service being only $6.99 and being able to download 10 tracks for free a month, so regardless whether you're downloading a track with a free membership or a premium membership, Uppbeat says that artists are compensated fairly. And this is done by a number of revenue streams by Uppbeat and also by ads and by the premium service if you're in the premium account. And as a creative person myself, it's important to ask these questions to make sure that artists are compensated fairly. All right, so let's jump into the Uppbeat website and let's play around with their interface. So this is what the website looks like, and I actually really like it. The thumbnails are very colorful and unique, and the entire thing is just very clean. And over here it says browse SFX, sound effects coming soon. I'm very excited about that. Let's browse through some of this music. Sunny Beats. I like that you're able to see the audio's waveform so you know where the peaks and the lows of each track are. When you're looking for music, you can create your own playlist. So with the plus sign here, you can add it to a playlist. Say if you're looking for the perfect song or a group of songs for a certain project, you can create a playlist just catered to that individual project. And that way you're able to sort out all of your selects for soundtrack so that you can go ahead later on and fine tune and see which one you want to use or which tracks you want to end up using for your final video. If you have the free account, you won't be able to access the entire catalog. The ones that have a star are the ones that are available only with the premium membership. You're able to sort by energy, which I find it's very useful. So you can search by calm, moderate, and energetic. You can search by vocals, whether you wanted to have a vocal track in there or if you wanted something instrumental. You're also able to search by duration, which can come in very handy, but I particularly don't like to search by duration because I want to edit and cut my sound according to the video that I'm editing. And I can also go over to Audition if I really wanted to adjust that length of the song to match something specific. If you want to know how to automatically adjust the length of the song to any video, you can check another video that I did up here. I also really like the fact that they have a creative toolkit section. Here you have trippy, fast cut for those fast cut transitions, I'm guessing, time lapse for time lapses, aerial, slow-mo, montage, bokeh. So these are useful pre-selected curated tracks that you can just go ahead and search up for any of the different types of videos that you might be creating. If you have a song that you really like, you can also click on the heart icon. That just means that it's one of your favorites and it's going to go on your favorites folder on the left side over here. Another feature that I found very cool and useful is that if you find a song that you really like, but you want to find out other similar type of songs that may match that mood and feel. Say for example, I have this Neon Lights song by Soundroll. I click on the Neon Lights song and it brings me to a new page. And at the bottom of that, I have other similar music. So let's say I have used this song already in my video and I wanted something similar in the same vibe to add to the same video. And here I can go and check other songs, maybe by the same artist or other similar sounding songs that may match what I'm looking for. Once you've found the song that you want, you can just click on download and a little box will open up which has your credit. So if you are on a free account, this is the credit that you have to copy and paste into the description of your YouTube video. And that way you're able to clear your video on YouTube for copyright purposes or monetization purposes. A little cool thing is that it tracks at the bottom how many downloads you've done that month if you're on the free account. And let's say you've downloaded songs but you forgot to copy that credit, you can always go back to my account on the left hand side and go to your downloads and view your download history. I'll be leaving a link of this website in my comments and also in the description below for you to check it out and download your free music right away. So this is it for today's video. If you learned something new or if you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And that is all for today, guys. Until next time.